Dr. Shannon, ortho sports physiotherapist, and today we are going to learn all about osteoarthritis of knee. Let's begin, okay? So this is your knee joint. I'm going to give you a basic anatomy of what knee joint is made up of. So this is your femur bone, that is your thigh bone here. This is the tibia bone, you can call it your shin bone down, okay? Between these two bones is something called as cartilage, that is in red. The green is the capsule. In dotted is the patella bone, the one that is on top, the floating bone, that's the patella bone, okay? This is your knee joint. Now this knee joint forms two kinds of joints. One is the patella and the femur, that is patellofemoral joint, and the femur and the tibia making the tibiofemoral joint, two joints making the whole of your knee joint. So this is your basic anatomy of the knee joint. Let's begin with what happens in osteoarthritis of knee. So osteoarthritis, firstly, it's degenerative knee joint, which happens because of age, wear and tear of age, which is a normal phenomena to occur. Normal phenomena occurring post 50 years of age, which is very normal for your joints to go into degeneration and cartilage wearing off, causing your bones to rub against each other. This is a normal phenomena. Now what happens? There are types in osteoarthritis. One is primary and secondary. In primary, this is your normal degeneration which happens because of age. In secondary osteoarthritis, that could happen because of obesity, joint overuse, immobilization, maybe due to fracture or any surgical procedures. It could happen, it could be a congenital defect too. And post ligament injuries like an ACL injury or a meniscal injury that could cause your cartilage to wear off faster. So this age could reduce. So currently with the situation we have, people suffering from osteoarthritis at a very younger age too, at less than 50 years of age. Two, because of all these phenomena. Also joint overuse, where you do too much of overactivities, that can cause your cartilage to also wear off faster. Gender. It affects females more than male. Now you might be wondering, why does it affect female more than male when it is already a degenerative joint? So the reason for this is females' pelvic is larger than a male. So the load that falls on the knee joint is much more compared to a male. The basic reason for why females get affected more than male. Hope you understood that? Okay, so let's go ahead with signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis. The most important signs, okay, there's 5 most important signs. First sign is stiffness. It is early morning stiffness. The moment you get up in the morning, you find your joints really stiff. This could be one reason. It also occurs in colder climates much more, where around this joint is something called as a synovial fluid that helps to keep the lubrication of the joint. In colder weathers, the synovial fluid gets more viscous and dense, causing the mobility is not that great, causing friction to occur, and that's why the cartilage could also wear off faster. That could be one. Second is the loss of ROM. So end range movement of the joint could be really painful. When you completely bend the joint in complete flexion, the end range, you could find your bones rubbing against each other. You could find a little crepitus also. That could be the second sign and symptoms. Third is pain, which could happen because of prolonged sitting and standing. So when you sit too long and you stand up, you will have pain on the knee joint, or when you stand and you sit, you could have pain. So that's the third sign and symptoms. The fourth one is pain on the joint line. This is your joint line. This is the medial side and this is the lateral side. The medial side is the inner part of your knee and lateral being the outside. The medial is more affected than the lateral generally most of the time. The reason being, the medial side, the medial condyle of the femur is more larger and it occupies more space into the knee joint, so it rubs more often. So generally this space is more reduced. Takes more load on this side, so medial joint space is generally more reduced. Okay, so medial more than lateral, and pain on the joint line is the third sign and symptom. The fourth is joint swelling. The capsule, this green part, it swells up. It swells up because of inflammation. Now, because of rubbing, there's inflammation in the joint that causes swelling into the joint. So these are your basic signs and symptoms you need to notice if you have knee pain. Now, once you have knee pain, how do you understand what stage of osteoarthritis are you in? So let's go for stages of ortho. Before that, the stage 1 is a normal knee joint. Okay, and we'll show you what is a normal knee joint and what is a osteoarthritic joint. Okay, going forward. So stages of knee joint. The first stage, your knee is an absolute normal knee, just like this. This is the normal knee joint where there is no inflammation, the joint spaces are normal, cartilage is maintained. That's a normal knee. It's the second stage. You can have pain, stiffness, and osteophytes. Now, what is osteophytes? Osteophytes are small bony spurs that are formed at the corner of your joints. The smoothness of the joint is reduced, causing rubbing, crepitus. So these are small bony spurs that form. That's osteophytes. Okay, this is what happens in your second stage. In your third stage, you have pain, stiffness, osteophytes. The cartilage is torn and worn off. Okay, this is your cartilage, so it starts wearing off. Also, the space is reduced. So it could be either the medial joint space reduced or the lateral joint space reduced, or even both could be reduced. But both reduction is generally in the last stage. Okay, so in your second stage, you have joint reduction starting. In your fourth stage, you have pain, you have stiffness, osteophytes, cartilage wear and tear, joint space reduced. Now, in this last stage, even standing, sitting and doing any activity could be very, very painful. Simultaneously, you have something called as development of genu-valgum or varum, that is deformity in the knee joint. Now, what is genu-valgum and varum? Genu-valgum is knock knees, okay, and genu-varum is bow leg. So, this happens because of reduction of either the medial or the lateral joint space. So, this is an overview of osteoarthritis of knee. And I hope you understood and have a basic idea of what happens around your knee joint in arthritis. If you like this video and it was of any help to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Doctor For You.